From Wild Science comes the mind-boggling science kit. It's got the best of colourful chemistry and the best of fun physics and clever craft, all in one big kit. Mix up the powders with the indicator liquid and mould your Krakatoa tablets and erupt them in a colour change lake. In goes the indicator chemical and down goes the fizz bomb and up comes your bubbling lava lamp. 1, 2, 3 and wow! Is it Saturn or Jupiter? Well, it's different every time. Lots of ingredients so you can do it all again and again. Plus, hints for your magic science show. Create your own gloopy gusher tubes. Secret messages, optical tricks, flip movies and so much more. The mind-boggling science kit. And remember, there's only one Wild Science.